When I just started, they helped me and trained me and showed me everything. That really helped me a lot.
I kind of like to work in a production environment because I learn a lot of troubleshooting and new technologies.
And you don't have to leave Thunder Bay. I love spending time with my family. That's why it's nice that I don't have to go look elsewhere.
You won't have the same problems every day. Every day is a new day and it's a challenging day.
The crew's awesome. Everybody gets along. It's a good atmosphere to work in.